for a while. Everything is shaking. Let's fix. Now ready. Upgrade. Never mind. Should upgrade by 1 sec. Yeah, that will be fast. This is rotating. Weird. How? Let me check. Are they rotating? Not. This thing is they are rotating faster. Let's do it. We're not doing 0. Really. That's kind of too fast. Oh God. Now do it again. Let's do it again. Boom. Oh God. That was really fast. That's bad. Let's disconnect the now it's perfect. And we don't want this. Let's just solo. Wait, let me check the force. What? I forgot. That is at that time. Okay, now it works. Oh, did you realize? Oh God, we're going too fast. Guys, we're back on the same layer. But acidified. It's this layer. Acidified in this pit. Yeah, we're respawning. It's the most dangerous. Wait a sec. I got a gyro. But they can't render. They don't render. Yeah. Can we try flying? Let's fly from the sky car. We could have to level. What? We could after the lever. Who is the lever? Yeah, they look kinda identical. Weird. What have I done? Oh God. What's happening? It's about to collapse. This layer is collapsing. Oh God, because we are escaping the layer. Eva, Eva, Eva. Oh God.
Oh God.
It's. Oh, we are blah, blah. Oh God, tea party. I think they got to collapse the teapot. These have taken over. Anyways, let's stop them teas in the acid. Right? The tea is not this orange. Yeah, I'll drink that orange flavor. Box. Man, let's put salt as mine. They got acidified. Let's need more. We need more. We need more. We need more. We need more. That's a lot. Let's keep some of them. Yeah, the pool just got darker. Yeah, this orange carpet box is ruined. And oh no, we just escaped. We need a mutant for a new world. Not world, I mean map. Because it can layers. Oh God. I don't have picture of the new layer before. Color box. Yeah, let's search for let's go.
Found out something cool. Was down. Holy. What the f*** happened? Romantic sphere last night. No, seriously. Whatever. I have taken a screenshot for you.
Let's go. And water. Like, let's try uploading this picture. Interesting. Oh. Let me check now. I'm trying to do it. So late. Nothing loading, you guys. That's too big. So we'll fix it. Redbox. Yeah, it's actually Redbox. For some reason, Redbox. It's just red. But you're lying to me. They have blood. Yeah, blood is kind of strange. Actually, in this way, that's water. Water, you're gonna feel like. Confused to water and blood. What? surrounding half of the map. A pit. Each pit is in half of the... Yes, safe. And here we go. Let's enter Redbox. I'll make it this later after Redbox. Yeah, okay, where am I? Yeah, imagine if God fits into this. Very safe. Let's splash it. Yeah, blood was secondly not safe for health, like the water. Sandbox. MELISANDBOX. Oh, yeah, the head got chopped off. Now the more organs chopped off. Now let's see what limbs are getting. Now just the blood is technically not good for health, but the blood is safe. The result